Hello, in front of me I've got BOSE SoundLink Color 2. In this video I'll show you how to connect it with BOSE Connect app. In the beginning, make sure that your speaker is paired with the smartphone, and now enter BOSE Connect app. Allow and allow. Agree to terms. Skip or create account. Turn the speaker off. Turn it on again.
Battery medium. Connected to just as I found you.
Now select language. Now drag the speaker downwards. Release. Continue. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.